You see something shiny, you see something gold,
but you don't wanna pay the price you're told.
Don't just point and don't just stare.
Get the price that's only fair.
Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? Ask the question so you don't get lost. Cuánto cuesta? I need to know before I spend and before I go. Es caro, it's expensive, or es barato, it's cheap. That is a promise that I'm gonna keep.
I see the fruit and I see the bread. I got the phrases in my head.
Yo quiero esto,
I want this,
right here.
make the choice and make it clear.
Tiene más,
Do you have more?
hidden in the back of the store.
La cuenta por favor, give me the bill.
I've got the hunger and I've got the will. Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? Ask the question so you don't get lost. Cuánto cuesta? I need to know before I spend and before I go. Es caro, it's expensive, or es barato, it's cheap. That is a promise that I'm gonna keep.
How you gonna pay? How you gonna play? Don't let the moment slip away.
And efectivo means you're using cash.
Keep it in your pocket.
Keep it in your stash.
Con tarjeta, I'll use my card. Shopping in Spanish isn't so hard.
Es el final, is that the end?
I think I got a bargain, my friend.
Un descuento, a discount for me.
Por favor,
If you agree,
demasiado.
it's just too much.
Keep the rhythm.
Keep the touch. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Es barato. I'm taking it home. I'm wearing it now. Yo quiero esto. One word at a time. You're doing just fine. One word at a time.
You're doing just fine.